It's warm, huh?
Yeah, it's good. Glad I left my glasses up there. There's no reason.
Hi. Wave at me. Hi. Hi in the water. So nice.
Literally haven't been in this water in more than a month.
Yes. We're going to come
We
here
have a
and
beach
swim
resort,
before
don't
we
in the
go.
water.
Wow, look at that. Look at the color.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Me and my honey swimming.
Normally we go out.
Mga ligo ta ninyo. Dali mo. Mag-swimming ta uban ko ninyo. Nindot ang dagat, panindot.